Want to marry her? Don't lie. Huh?
No, sir.
Huh? Come here. Do you know me? Huh? What is my name? How long have you been coming to Zion?
Some months now.
Like how many months?
Late June.
June. The Spirit of God is telling me that you are living with a man. Huh?
Yes.
How old are you? Huh?
24.
Has he married you? Huh?
No.
I can't hear you.
No.
So why are you staying with a man that have not married you? Huh?
Nothing.
Which state do you come from? Huh?
Imo State.
Well, no more. Which local government?
Kigwe.
Okay, well. Where are your parents? Huh?
My mother is late.
What of your father?
It's in the east.
How many siblings do you have?
7.
7. How many boys? How many girls?
3 boys and 4 girls.
Those 3 boys and 4 girls, where are they? Huh?
I don't
Talk now.
I don't know.
You don't know your sisters and brothers, their whereabouts.
I know of my sister, but I don't know of my brothers.
So where are your sisters? Huh?
2 are married.
What of the other 2?
It's me and my younger sister.
You and your younger sister. Where are they? Those that are married and your younger sister, where are they?
They are in the Imo State. My younger sister is in Lagos.
You and your younger sister is here.
Lagos.
How long do you know that man you are staying with?
For a year.
Where do you met him?
Where I work.
Where do you work?
I work in the bar.
Bar. In which area? Huh?
Lagos Island.
That boy you are staying with is here. Is he here? Huh?
Yes.
Which state do you come from?
Anambra.
Anambra. When the Anambra Chimema anyị ha bọta. Why is she staying with you?
Nothing, sir.
Huh?
Because you don't have any place where to live in.
I can't hear you.
We was somewhere there, old baby.
There is nowhere she's living.
Yeah, we was in a better place so far.
You allow a girl to be staying with you. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Why didn't you allow other boys that are homeless to stay with you? You're a very kind man. Oh, you'll be a better. Are you not aware that having sex is not good? Huh?
I know, sir.
Have you heard me preaching about it? Are you keeping a woman in your house? Are you married to her? Huh?
No, sir.
Have you paid her bride price? Keeping her wholesale because you want to help her. It's not good. If God is demanding something from us to help us, we cannot be alive now. Now you that are a girl, will it be single? So what do you want me to do for you? Now do you want to marry her? Be honest. Be honest. Don't lie. Whatever you say here, do you want to marry this girl? Huh?
No, sir.
You don't want to marry her? No, but I can hear you. No, in a dori. Onye greyalo. Okay, dori for you, onye.
I've changed my place of work.
Where are you working now? How much are they paying you?
40,000.
What do you want to do? Huh?
I want to rent a house and start my own business.
If you rent a house and you stay alone, you will turn that place to a hotel. A single girl is not supposed to stay alone. Your younger sister, is that one in Lagos? Who is she staying with? Be honest to me. Another boy. Who? Huh?
With her girlfriend.
Abia. Girlfriend. Is she here? Ole kesi ya akwọ nwaanyị kwuwara. Nna, you will go and bring your sister so that we will check where two of you can be staying or who you can be staying with your sister. Then you start a business. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
You will go and call your sister to come when?
Even if today I'll call her.
You can call her today. So, no, today is already late, right? You can bring her on Wednesday, two of you. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Let's look for a place two of you will be living and what two of you supposed to be doing so that your mom, wherever she is, her spirit will be happy. Staying with a boy like a husband and wife when you are not married is not good. Oh, I will help you to get a place you will stay.